Welcome to video number 3, and in this one we are going to find the perimeter and area of a parallelogram. And let's start first by drawing a parallelogram here. And that is our parallelogram. And let's just make it a little bit more solid, just because I enjoy just making more lines. Now, we're going to label this in terms of just kind of start labeling some of the lines. So this, we're just going to label our base. And why don't we just switch colors here, just a green. So this is our base. This is a side. And then, just like our triangle, we can, and we make a square, this is our height. So we have the same measurements that we have a triangle. We have our base. I'm just gonna, that's ridiculously messy. I can't deal with it. A base, our height, and our side. And the great thing about a parallelogram is, what's really cool about a parallelogram is that if I have a pair of scissors and I take this section right here and I cut it off, I can take that section and I can put it right over here. And essentially, what have I made? Well, now my new shape has this line right here. Hopefully that looks familiar from our lesson 2 days ago. A parallelogram, if we take this side here and slide it over here, becomes a rectangle. So when we talk about the formula for perimeter and area of a parallelogram, we can just look at the same thing, because this right here is now our base and our height is there. So area, let's go back to black here, area is equal to base times height. Now if we wanted to put this in the same vocabulary that we used with rectangles, it would be area equals length times width, where B is our length and H is our width. When we look at perimeter, it's going to be, again, perimeter is a walk around. So if we walk around, it's going to be base plus height plus height. It's kind of nifty how that works. So let's look at a couple examples here. Let's see, we'll start with I think that's 5 and 5, and then our height, let's just go right here, is 4. So we have 5 centimeters, and this is 4 centimeters, and then we need, oh, that's right there. So if we think about what our area is, we want area and we want perimeter. So area, remember, is base times height. This is our base, this is our height. 5 times 4 is 20, and again, centimeters squared. And our perimeter, oops, switch to blue here. Our perimeter is, we're going to walk around, and again, we want to pretend we're going to take this section right here and put it right here. And then we have 5 plus 4 is 9, plus 5 is 14, plus another 4 is 18. 18 centimeters. Let's look at another example here, and we'll go with, let's just say that's 4, and let's say that's 4, and then let's make a little line, and then we're going to want to draw our height, and let's make sure that that's a right angle. So our base in this case is 4 centimeters, and our height is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 centimeters. And again, we're going to want to know our area, and we want to know our perimeter. Area, we're going to take our base times our height. 4 times 6 is 24, 24 centimeters squared. And perimeter, again with perimeter, basically what we do is we take this and slide it over here to make a rectangle. And get rid of this. And now we have 4, 6. This is going to be 4. This is going to be 6. So 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 4, 14, plus another 6. Our perimeter is 20 centimeters. And again, we use this formula right here, base plus height plus height. I'm going to give you 2 problems, and I want you to solve them. Check it over with, so pause the video after I draw the 2 parallelograms. Solve them, check with your table to see if they get the same responses, and then it'll be time for the next video. There are the problems. Hopefully you've had time to work them. If not, again, pause, and then I will give you the responses. The perimeter of this parallelogram, we're going to take 3 plus 10 plus 3 plus 10, so 13 plus 13. 26 centimeters, and the area is base times height. Your base is going to be 10 times height is 3. It's going to be 30 square centimeters. On this side, we have 5 and 6 as our base and our height, but perimeter is 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 6 is 12. 10 plus 12 is 22 centimeters, and our area is going to be base times height 5 times 6 is going to be 30 centimeters squared. And that's it for that video. We have one more, and that's just got a couple story problems that's really going to challenge, I think, your thinking, and then that's the extent of it.